Hi there, Mark Jabin here, Medical Director for the Haywood County Health Department. Let's talk about this pandemic. Time once again for the weekly update. And the summary is that favorable trends continue all over, especially for Haywood County. So please share this with someone you care about. Around the country, what a difference from mid-January. Now, only one state in the red, and that's Rhode Island. And at 25.5 per 100,000 population, they are just above the threshold of 25. Oh, so close to dropping out of the red themselves. You can see continued less red in the southeast, the northeast, and look at Michigan. And Florida, only one county now in the red. 26 states, over half the country, now in the yellow. That's up from 12 last week. None, however, in the green yet. All of our neighboring states, all three are now down in the yellow as of this week. And for Tennessee, no counties in the red. North Carolina, cases, hospitalizations, and deaths continue to go down. New cases are averaging around 1,250 per day. The goal there would be around 100 per day. Deaths are down from 18 a day average to 14, and the goal would be around 1 to 2. Last week, 5 counties in the red in the state, and this week 3, one of whom is still in western North Carolina. And now there are 51 counties in the state, over half the counties in North Carolina in the yellow, and 1 in the green. In western North Carolina, look at all the yellow. 6 counties now in yellow, and 2 more just above the threshold of 10, poised to drop down soon enough. The most dramatic drop was from Macon County, which dropped out of the red through the orange and all the way down into yellow just this week. Clay County, however, with a marked increase up into the red, and now with the highest rate of new cases in the state this week. Graham also moved from yellow up into orange this week. As far as testing, test positivity rate, remember 5% is the important threshold, and everyone reporting lower again than last week and well below that 5% threshold. In fact, some below 2%. As of Friday, Haywood County has seen 4,382 residents test positive. That's an increase of 30 over the previous week. And this puts us back down into the yellow. And that takes us back to mid-March before this recent spike. And if we go back before the winter surge to where we were at last October. No additional deaths this week. We remain at 99. Well, what a difference this week. Around the country, state, and region, the downward trend is getting us all into good ranges. Lower rates of new cases and test positivity rates below 5% threshold. For Haywood County, the plateau we saw the past few weeks has declared itself lower. We're averaging now about 4.5 cases per day, 30 new this week, and we get closer and closer to our goal, which is 2 to 3 new cases per day average and less than 20 per week. We had looked at mid to late May as a time we would know where we are after Easter and spring break, and I think at this point it's fair to say in a really good space. With the new CDC guidance on mask use and distancing advice, we move one step closer to being able to gather together safely once again. We're not there fully yet, but we are closer. And to keep these favorable trends going, make sure you understand the new guidance, who and where it applies, and who and where it does not. And for a more in-depth look at what the new guidance means, look for video 153 entitled What the New CDC Guidance Means. You know, more and more people are choosing to get vaccinated, and this certainly moves us forward as a community. But if you aren't sure, look into the series amongst these videos called Why Even Consider Vaccination, as we delve into the questions and concerns people have. Part 5 coming up soon. So be well and be careful, and keep it going, especially right now.